This is the best way I found to wrap a saw. I've seen a lot of guys wrap around and then try to go back through here. No, don't do it. Go right up through the handle. Do the same thing. You start that hole and braid it. Pull through, start to keep that hole and just keep braiding it back through. And then when you're done, push the end through and cinch it. Now technically you can carry it around like that because you're carrying it from the handle and not from back here. So this is another way you can drop something down to them. You can drop it from above, you can braid it, put one braid in it, and then you can drop something down holding on to that, but I wouldn't recommend pulling on the cord unless you want the cord to come out. But the nice thing is getting it undone. You don't have to unwrap it. You just go yank and it's completely ready. And it doesn't get tangled when it's with a bunch of other tools. You can braid these tight, braid them loose. Totally up to you. That's what it should look like when it's done. Back through, and you're ready to go. By far the fastest and easiest way to wrap up a saw. And the easiest way to undo it. Alright, well thanks for watching guys. Hope I helped you out in one way or another. If you have anything you want to say, leave me a comment. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Have a good day.